If you are someone who always gets disappointed, your fever vanishes. Anywhere you go, it's either bad luck or disgrace. And even your finances are very tight. Money doesn't stay in your hand. You wish you could get money and visit a babalao, the shrine, Dipia, Boko, Toboko, just for you to be free. If you are such person, today you are lucky. Watch this video to the end, and I'll give you a simple but powerful help that our ancestors use anytime they needed favor, they needed less of. At times, it is not you that you are not forcing, but it is entities, energies that are blocking you to become who you want to become. Be from your family, friends, your co-workers, and even your boss. That is why our ancestors taught us this simple but powerful herb, that everywhere we go, this herb will attract blessing. It will attract favor. It will attract things that you want in a positive way. You don't know your enemy, but this herb will let your enemies scatter. This is the herb I'm talking about. This is it. I don't know if you've seen it before, but my people in the Volta region of Ghana knows it and knows it very well. This is called Oduebubo. Some people call it Oduebubo. Some people call it in English back to sender leaf or back to sender herb. So in today's rituals, we are going to use this powerful herb, our alligator pepper, and then your wallet or your diary. This herb, you are going to pluck it early hours when the sun sets. Okay, then you will take 7 seeds of alligator pepper. The reason why we are going to use alligator pepper is to boost our tongue, so that whatever we say, our intentions shall come to pass. Our intentions shall come true. You see, this our tongue is very, very powerful. But because we use it for different stuff, when we use to command things, it doesn't work. It doesn't work effectively. That is why we are going to use alligator pepper. We are going to chew it. We are going to chew this 7 seeds of alligator pepper to boost our tongue, so that our ritual that we are about to do will work. So I'm about to take 7 seeds of the alligator pepper. I'll take it from my back. You take it from you crack it from your back. Okay? If you're a first time user, you take it from your back and divide it. This is the 7 seed that I've taken. You begin to chew it. You chew it. But don't swallow it, because we are going to use it. Activate the herb. We are going to activate the, even though this herb is powerful on its own, we need to activate it because of what we want. We want wealth, we want blessings, we want good luck, we want favor. We want to be attracted anywhere we go. Attraction in a positive way, but not in a bad luck way. You understand? So you can take these rituals. Let's take 5 of it. Do not add the seed, but just the head, the leaf. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, this is it. 5. So now I'm going to say my intention, what I want. You know what is bothering you. You know the project you want to complete. The project that has stuck in the bush. You know. The business that business opportunity that you want to have, you know. So you begin to say it. When you finish saying your wishes, you can say it aloud or in your head. When you are done, or as you are saying it, then you will look at it. All my ancestors, as this head, which is Oduebubu or Oduebubo, back to sender head. My blessings, my favor, my luck, attraction luck that have been stuck today, as I'm going to use the head, this head. Let my finances boost. Let me attract positive people. Let my business boost. Favor, blessing, I say unto thee. When you are done, if you have a wallet, this is where you put your money. So don't put it here. You can get side of the wallet. This is where you put the money. Don't put it here. Side like this, you drop it. You can see, you drop it here. And that is it. This wallet, this is not a miracle thing that we are doing, but it is going to attract people to you. And also your money that is not stable, that vanishes, that you don't plan before spending. This head will help, because most of the times the money that doesn't stay comes from bad energies. You understand? Wherever you go, this wallet will draw people closer to you. That favor, that blessing will be restored. If you don't have a wallet, but you have your diary, you always move around with your diary. It's the same thing. Just open your diary inside like this and drop it. Don't use dry back to sender head or dry back to sender leaf. Use fresh one like this. Put it inside. When you, after saying your wish, put it inside. Everywhere you go along with the diary. It's your wallet. And I repeat, these rituals doesn't bring money, doesn't double money. For instance, if you have this, then it will double to more. No, but rather it will attract jobs, to attracting favor, to bring blessing. Things that you want to do, business contract that you want to execute, you are going to have it. Let me know at the comment section if you have ever used back to sender head. Work with Osibi Saba. Aogbogbo. Babalao is Atare.